Hey, what's up everyone? Going to do a hop on to a quick review demonstration here of the Diaper Genie Diaper Pail Refills. And I should just pick this up, which is actually came in perfect timing. Today we actually tied off our last bag, and then this box of 4 showed up. So this video couldn't have been better timed. Basically, here's the box that it comes in. It does come with 4 actual rings of Diaper Genies, and each ring here is a good up to 270 diapers. However, this is it's 270 small diapers. So if you've got a larger kid, your kid's probably in the size 3 or 4 like my daughter is, you're not going to get 270 per roll. This is like for newborn, I think. I don't think I've ever put that many in there. But overall, again, it's a Diaper Genie trash bag. There on the top here is a ring. We're gonna get this. Show you how to put this in the Diaper Genie here in a second. But it's really, really simple. There's a little tab here. Here, let me get a tripod. Set this up. I'll show you how this works. All right. So how this works here to open this one up? There's a little tab here. You're basically just gonna give that pull, come around the ring, and then what this is gonna do is this is just gonna expose the bag. But let me go grab the Diaper Genie, bring it down. I'll kind of show you how to put this one in. All right, now that we've got the Diaper Genie, we've got definitely our bag here. Now the key here for me is I grab. You'll see there's like a little line here. You'll see like that little black part there on the line. I grab that and I'll just take the leading edge, work it around, and I'll take this out. What this is going to do, obviously, this is going to get the bag started. Then what I do when you're going to put your foot here on the Diaper Genie itself, you're going to open it up, and you'll see that there's a little ring in here with the arms here. So you're going to put this here it fits right into that little ring, and then you're going to pull this out, and you're going to pull it down through the little jaws there. All right, now that we're down here, I'm just going to pull this down to about the length of the Diaper Genie, and then basically you're just going to take the end. Let's see if I can get this here on camera. Take the end over to here. Tie a knot, and then you're good. And then you're going to have the bottom here. So this one here actually has the, all Diaper Genies have the second half of the pail, which goes right onto there. And then you're set. You're going to be good until this fills up. Then it's a matter of using the little razor blade that's in there. You basically take the bag and it cuts it. This is actually about 4 or 5 years old, so that razor blade's kind of dull. I just kind of use a scissor now. Same thing. Just make sure that you wash the scissors after you cut the bag. But overall, we've been using them for a long time. We've never had a bag break. We've never had one fail. And we've been using these, again, with my oldest is now going on 5 years old. So we've been using these about 5 years. I can't tell you how many we've had, but it's definitely in double, maybe triple digits in the amount of rings that we've had. And overall, well-made product, and I definitely recommend it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.